In this video, Bitcoin is heading towards 25,000 US dollars, and this is because yesterday we broke this key support level at 27,200 US dollars. And guys, of course, the next big support level is all the way down at 25,000, as you can see here. And yesterday I told you that this was a nice spot where to enter a short position, and guys, if you did that, then you already made 30% profit with 10x leverage. And of course, if you manage to place this trade and take this profit, then write it down in the comments. And guys, I think you're still on time to trade this move and make another 40% profit. And so guys, if you want to know how you can trade this move on Bybit, then stay tuned. Welcome back to Bitcoin Trading Pro. I'm Federico, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and share with your friends, and let's dive in. So guys, we are on the daily chart and we broke this key support at 27,000 US dollars. And guys, this is very bearish, and I believe that Bitcoin is going down to 25,000 US dollars in the next days. And this is because 25k is the next big support level for Bitcoin under 27,000 US dollars. And I said that you're still on time to enter a short position here, and this is because we are still trading slightly below 27,000 US dollars. And guys, let me show you very quickly where to take profit and where to place your stop loss. And so you would enter the trade where we are trading right now at 26,500 US dollars. You would place your stop loss above 27,200 US dollars, and you would take profit at 25,000 US dollars. And guys, with 10x leverage, this would be 60% profit. And if you want to place this trade with me on Bybit, then you can use my Bybit affiliate link down below, so you will get the big sign up bonus. And now guys, I want to share with you some good news, because on the daily chart, we've been forming this uptrend since November 2022 with these lower highs and higher highs. And I believe that the next lower high could be here at 25,000 US dollars. And from there, we could go up and potentially form another higher high here on the daily chart and preserve this uptrend. So guys, for today, I think I showed you everything. And if you want to receive these trading alerts for free and in real time, then you should follow me on Twitter and on Telegram. And if you haven't yet liked this video, subscribe to my channel. And if you didn't watch my video where I explain you how to trade short on Bybit, then you can watch it right there. And guys, see you in the next episode.